My topic for today's presentation is post-retirement syndrome, and it is about people who are 60 and above. And with the permission of the panelists and my teachers, I'd like to start. सबसे पहले अभी जाते हुए लास्ट हमारी मॉडरेटर ने एक शेर सुनाया बहुत खूबसूरत। मुनीर नियाज़ी साहब का एक शेर है जिससे मैं इस प्रेजेंटेशन का आगाज़ करूँगा कि किताब उम्र का एक और बाब ख़त्म हुआ, शबाब ख़त्म हुआ, एक अज़ाब ख़त्म हुआ. So it is learned that when you achieve some specialty, by the time you are 60, you have some dignity, and you are moving forward to the higher grades, then there is a limit that comes, and it tells you that you are no more. However, in Pakistan, retirement have multiple avenues, we all know, resulting in developing of psychiatric symptoms and social disqualifications. Cricketers, doctors, judges, and army personnel, sorry, Brigadier Shoaib sahab बैठे, and all other have different criteria of retirement. So defining a post-retirement syndrome is keeping in view psychosocial and economical perspective of the term retirement. It encompasses the stoppage and then declining in the functionality and productivity in active life. The retirement sounds and impacts over psychobiological and social areas of a person. Well, in Pakistani government, services enlarges from grade 1 to grade 22 and sometimes even higher in social and political circumstances. But after this achievement of 25 year or more services, 60 years of the age that person comes to retirement. However, retirement does not fulfill the previous status, the economical environment, and some cases, retirement does not mean basically tired. Once the ex-Chief Justice of Pakistan used to take sumoto of everything that was happening in Pakistan. Take sumoto, take sumoto, take sumoto. Somebody has blocked the road, okay, Chief Justice is taking the sumoto. But do you know where he is today? Nobody knows. Javed Miandad. Here I'd like to refer to the recent cricket match of Australia and Afghanistan. My gurus and my teachers are here. The way Maxwell played was not cricket. It was a psychological conflict that he was dealing with. Professor Haroon Ahmed, हमारे टीचर और टीचर्स के टीचर, हमारे टीचर्स हमें बताते हैं कि उस्तादों को देखना भी इबादत का दर्जा रखता है. The other person standing here is my father, Professor Dr. Jamil Hussain. Both are retired. Sabiha Khanam, 60s, 70s, top class actress. But then comes retirement and nobody then remembers her. Dilip Kumar. And then Shakespeare comes and says, is second childishness and mere oblivion, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. In a clinical scenario, which I'm about to share with you, few symptoms have been identified. Anxiety, what will happen to me when I get retired, how the things will turn out, agitation, irritability in milder forms, helplessness and hopelessness for a quite transient period of time, lack of libido, sexual desires, which means changes in vegetative functions, overall sadness, weeping episode, and nostalgic feelings. Post-retirement clinical symptoms also include boredom, fatigue. Mostly the retired person is spending time watching TV, news, reading newspaper, and taking the mobile in hand and get confused. They don't know whether it is a mobile or a remote control. Sometimes they pick up mobile to change the television channel. Loss of desires and hopelessness, psychobiological areas, no sexual enjoyment, and certain cognitive factors. Strong desire for death have also been identified in certain cases. No leisure activity, difficulty in passing time, anxious feelings about family's outcomes, poor relationship with the relatives, and likes usually old songs and movies. Certain behavioral changes have also been identified. Usually beard appears, sudden change in personality, appreciation and liking of homemade food. बाहर जाना छोड़ देते हैं, घर का बना खाना खाना पसंद करते हैं. Appreciating rest after every 2 to 3 hours, which means easy fatigability or tiredness. Feeling of hunger, appetite every 3 hours, after every 3 hours, and usually at midnight. And color selection and their perception fades up. आप रिटायर्ड लोगों के साथ शॉपिंग पे जाएं और उनके कलर सिलेक्शन को देखें तो आपको लगेगा देयर इज अ सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज बिटवीन अ प्री रिटायर्ड पर्सन एंड अ पोस्ट रिटायर्ड पर्सन. फॉरगेटफुलनेस नॉक्स द डोर. भूलना शुरू हो जाते हैं. यूजुअली रीसेंट मेमोरीज से इसका आगाज़ होता है. डूइंग बटन इज़ अ डिफ़िकल्ट जॉब. आप बटन लगाते हैं लेकिन आपसे नहीं लगते. यू मिस द बटन एंड द फिक्सेशन ऑफ इट. The dressing has no more pressing or ironing. I remember one of the professor who used to come to university in sleeping suit, and he was at the age of 60 years. One day he wore a full suit, all three components of the full suit, and he was riding a bicycle as if he is going to market. The person appreciates classic food and dominantly spend time at home. The spouses, especially wives of retired person, they have already achieved the status of grandmother. So there is no attendance to the retiree by the spouse. Children have already taken away the money received at the time of retirement, which is a financial abuse to the retired people. And then most of the new generation is attending their own children. अपने बच्चों की परवरिश में लगे हुए सब. और जो हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ राइट है, जो एक यूनिवर्सल राइट फॉर द एल्डरली, वो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर फुलफिल होता नजर नहीं आता. Religiousness is also important in people with retired status. Because people retired with unfair income, some of the people who retired with unfair income have more severity of symptoms. As a fellow sees themselves guilty, miserable, frequency of pilgrimages rises unexpectedly. बार बार religious festivals में जाना या उम्रा अदा करने जाना या हज को प्लान करना, जो non-Muslims हैं वो accordingly. And transforming into religious defined costumes. दाढ़ी बढ़ जाती है, सिर पे टोपी आ जाती है. Now friends, however, have been there since early age but left behind due to change of status. And then the newer friends have the failure to understanding the retired person mentality. Isolation बढ़ना शुरू हो जाती है. आप नए दोस्त बनाने के काबिल नहीं महसूस करते खुद को. So we conducted a survey, a descriptive, convenient, non-probability survey, sampling done during a period of first 6 months of the current year, conducted at the outpatient clinics of Department of Psychiatry, Indus Medical University, Tano Muhammad Khan. Some of 192 cases we included, more than or equivalent to 60 years of age, and they were retired from different cadre of the posts. Q9 was applied for the assessment of general health and depression. The mean age found to be 65.30. Gender proportion 59.9% were males and 41.1% females. It is the marital status. 91% were married, 25 single and other than. But what I would like to enlighten here is, you see married people are outnumbering the others, but few are widows. And you see that 28% widows are there with no spouse at all. So I'd like to talk about their mentality and their problems they face during their life. And few of the subjects were belonging to the family system, which is called alone, living on their own. All the children moved away out of the country, doing their jobs, and the parents are back at home alone. And few were living with the family as well. Less than 5 years of retirement and more than 5 years of retirement. I also compared it. So you see here, 45.8% people have mild depression. With this term mild, do not get confused. Milder depressions are difficult to detect. But NICE guideline tells us that milder depression forms have been addressed with the self-help group, cohesive therapies, and certain cognitive behavioral model. But in Pakistan, do you see that model with practicality, especially in interior of sin? Marital status also important, because you see in married people, mild depression was 45.1%. However, in single persons, 52.0% of people have been moderately depressed. On PHQ, you see combined family system, moderate depression reported more than, and then the people who belong with the nuclear family system, 62.1% have milder symptoms of depression. Overall, 45.8% depression have been found. Time since retirement, you see here, 55.8 have mild depressive symptoms in first year of retirement, 36.5 moderate depression after first year, first 5 years, and then depression transforms into severe forms later on. Generally, 13.5 have minimal or no depression, 45.8% have milder depression forms, 28.1 have moderate depression, and 12.5 have moderate to severe depression. Now, I talked about childlessness, and it is different among people who have not produced any child, remain childless, issueless, and then people having children on PHQ scores. Issuelessness cases have higher proportion of moderate depression. जिनके बच्चे नहीं हैं उनको डिप्रेशन रिटायरमेंट के बाद ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू दोज उन जिनके बच्चे हैं. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? Pakistan society has minimal or so-called or a kind of fashionable respect for the retirees and old people, but no appropriate welfare available and children dominantly leaving the home for their own life. It is very common for the children to leave the country. I have few suggestions because of the biopsychosocial model. This is psychosocial area. Must keep the pension intact and using it with appropriate planning so then you can avoid a financial abuse. Must have friendly approach towards the family and the children. Must go for medical checkups regularly. Take psychotherapeutic sessions if necessary. Be ready for leisure activities and tours with friends and dear ones. They should have confiding relations as per your own status and qualification. Make habit of book reading, and if you have the talent of writing, do it. Overall, continue working and maintaining functionality with religious practices. Be friendly and smooth as silk. I thank you very much for your patience listening.
आज आपने अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, but it was more of age rather than retirement. I mean, your emphasis was more upon age than retirement. Because वो मैं ही कहूँगा कि तुमने शायद बूढ़े जवान देखे नहीं अभी तक, जो ठीक है ना, नहीं देखे ना, नहीं तो वहाँ मेरे लिए लगाए ना. ठीक है. So it's the but people who retire at 60 years, they have lot of experience, ठीक है ना. And those who were working, इस पे आपको ये रखना चाहिए था, those who were professionals and those who were not working, ठीक है ना. तो जो वर्किंग रहा है, जो प्रोफेशनल रहा है, वो अपने प्रोफेशन को फिर आगे लेकर चलेगा, तो वो तो विल बी लिविंग अ नॉर्मल लाइफ. ठीक है. फिर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आपने मेंशन नहीं किया. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी जितनी आप ज़्यादा उसको दोगे, एडवाइस आखिर में जो दिया है, तो उतना ज़्यादा उसके चांसेस है कि जो उसको आउट ग्रो करे अपना ये डिप्रेशन है या बोर्डोम है एट्सेट्रा.
सर, आई हैव अ सजेशन टू. आपने मेंशन किया साइको सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल मॉडल, बट इन दैट एज हमें बायोलॉजिकल मॉडल को भी ऐड करना चाहिए. जैसे कि सर ने बताया, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप लेटर ऑन एज में होते हैं तो आपके पास फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करने से आपके मसल जो हैं वो स्ट्रेंथन होंगे. अदरवाइज़ आप सारा दिन अगर घर में हैं तो आप लेथार्जिक ही फील करेंगे, डिप्रेशन में ही जाएंगे. बट द थिंग इज़ कि अगर आप इसमें बायोलॉजिकल मॉडल भी ऐड करें तो इट विल बी वर्थ. या